This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss multiple choice questions of chapter Introduction to Programming in C language. So let's start with the question number 43. The question is a software that facilitates programmers in writing computer programs is known as option A compiler, B an editor, C an IDE, or D a debugger. And the right answer is option B, an editor. Next number. Number 44. The question is dash is a software that is responsible for the conversion of program files to machine understandable and executable code. First option is a compiler. Second, editor. Third, IDE. And fourth, debugger. And the right answer is A, compiler is the right answer. Next number, number 45. The question is, every programming language has some primitive building blocks and follows some grammar rules known as its option A programming rules, B syntax, C building blocks, or D semantic rules. The right answer is option B, syntax. We will highlight it like this. Next number, number 46. The question is a list of words that are predefined and must not be used by the programmer to name his own variables are known as option A, odd words, B, reserved words, C, restricted code, or D, redefined words. The right answer is option B. Reserved words is the right answer. Next number 47, and it is include statements are written in section. Option A, header. B, main. C, comments. Or D, print. The right answer is option A, header section. We will highlight it. Next number 48. The question is, dash are added in the source code to further explain the techniques and algorithms used by the programmer. Option A, messages. B, hints. C, comments. Or D, explanation. Right answer is option C, comments. We will highlight it like this. Next number 49. Question is, dash are the values that do not change during the whole execution of program, and the options are option A, variables. B, constants. C, strings. Or D, comments. The right answer is option B, constants. Next number 50. And the question is, a float uses bytes of memory. Option A, 3. B, 4. C, 5. And D, 6. My right answer is option B, which is 4. Next number 51. Question is, for initializing a variable, we use dash operator. Sign of exclamation equal to symbol, add the red symbol or question mark, The right answer is option B, equal to symbol for initialization. Last number of today's video, it is 52. The question is, dash can be thought of as a container to store constants. Option A, box, B, jar, C, variable, or D, collection. The right answer is option C, variable. So finally, viewers, we have discussed total 10 MCQs in this today's video. Introduction to Programming Language, chapter number Introduction to Programming Language in C. So starting from multiple choice question number 43 and ended at number 52. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.